spending better than expected, income better than expected, but the core PCE and the price index hotter than expected. Dagen, McDowell, your thoughts on this as we see a rally in stocks evaporate as these numbers came out?
The Federal Reserve needs to fight inflation. And with the core PCE year over year coming in at 4.8%, the markets have lulled themselves, investors have, and deluded themselves into thinking that the Federal Reserve is going to take it easy on inflation, let inflation run, and prop up asset prices. And I think that we're due for a multi-week, even multi-month wake-up call by investors. But these numbers clearly point out, with the employment costs for the second quarter coming in 1.3%, that was a little bit lower than the first quarter, which was 1.4%, but again, above expectations. The core PCE, hotter than expected at 0.6% month over month, 4.8% year over year. Consumption was up a lot, 1.1% month over month. But guess what? I don't believe, and I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, those numbers are not adjusted for inflation. So inflation boosts the overall price of things. So it looks like people are spending more money when it's just adjusted for, if you include inflation, it beefs up these numbers a little bit. At the end of the day, people are struggling. So you have a slowing economy, an economy in a recession, and 40-year high inflation. Remember, wholesale prices are running hotter than even consumer prices. So you have a Federal Reserve that has to fight it unless Jay Powell wants to go down as the worst Fed chief in history. I don't know if he'd sleep on that at night.
Well, it's not just that. People are looking at Janet Yellen and saying this is embarrassing. When are we going to start getting some truth? You know, this whole transition talking point. They're all saying, oh, we're going through a transition to stable prices. This was the memo for them all to get on board. It's been such a disappointment to watch Janet Yellen just go all in on these talking points. The June core PCE is out just moments ago. It came in hotter than expected. We are looking at a rally disappear in stocks as a result of these higher costs. The employment cost index up 1.3%. That is exactly what you heard Lauren tell us. It's when they call up employers and saying, how much are you paying employees? This was the issue that Jamie Dimon talked about on this program 6 months ago, saying that he's never in his lifetime seen such a tight labor market and the cost of talent, the cost of people going up as much as it is going up.